Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Machine. Today we are sending our special designed wooden pallet shredder to Europe. Behind me, you can see this is the complete main machine of the shredder. This shredder with an input of 1.4 meters length, and it is suitable for any kinds of wooden pallet less than 1.4 meters length put inside to this shredder. Inside this shredder, we have a rotary drum, which with a special designed 32 pieces cutting blade. And this shredder fit with a 15 kilowatt electric motor and a heavy industry gearbox. And this wooden pallet shredder, the capacity is about 1 ton's power. And this is the electric panel for this shredder. The wooden pallet, when you put into this shredder machine, and we have a screen to get small pieces of wood chips less than 5 centimeters will drop down to the downside. And over here, you can see that those are 6 meters belt clears for transfer the wood chips out from this wood shredder. This shredder is a very special design for the wooden pallet crushing. And it's a high efficiency working, stable working. If you have any interest in Longzhe brand wooden pallet shredder, please send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.